Oh my god. I got scared for a second. I ran under the car. Okay. Oh god. Gonna do a drift. Yo, that was sick. That was that was sick. Yeah. Yo, I did it. Oh my god. What if I like run over some? Feed the innocent children some flesh, okay? No, don't attack me, please. See the innocent child, the flesh, like this one. Queen Drew. What? Oh my car! Where did you? My. I did something cool, yo. Wait. Wait a second. Wait, what if I... Wait a second. Wait, I did something. Ladies with gentle hands. Oh. Get out. Get out of my pussy. Woo! This feels so wrong. I don't know why. Ah! Damn it! You just pushed me. The hell? The same thing. Let's control a car right now. Yes, I got this. I'm just spinning. By the way, I shouldn't have to be spinning. Oh my god! Wait. Okay. Okay, I don't have the thing, right? Oh shit. Whoa! I just did this cool, sick black flip. Wow. Woo. Oh god. Oh my god. Let's go. I can't even touch this thing. It's like smooth control another car. Let's see. Is there any purple ones? No. No shits. Yo, this is so sick. I can't even jump on it. Whoa. 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 Oh my god. Wait a second. Wait a second. Did I do this week? I can technically have the thing in May. Whoa. Whoa. No. Shit. I'm gonna explode everyone to the ground now.